Hello everyone. All roads need to run. If your vehicles suffered problems on the road, call me. I'm Rebecca from Suma, China, who could provide you solutions on diesel markets. If you want to know more common real information, please keep following me. Well, now let's back to our topic today. Among our abundant spare parts, I want to introduce today is our control valve for Bosch injectors. This injector valve is F00RJ01895. This is a valve assembly. You could see that the label for the valve. The first line is our Sumat logo, and the second is the valve number, and the third is application injectors. This valve is fitted for 0445120012 and 013, and also the QR code and other informations also listed on it. This packing is a VCI anti-rust bag, which could prevent the valve assembly from rust well. And let me open it. And each valve is packed with a biodegradable, environmental-friendly plastic box. And for the box, we could prevent two types in my hand. One is a tube, and the round shape our packing could save the volume on the transportation and protect the valve well. And this one is the same as some Bosch original valve. The valve assembly is also packed well with the oil-proof paper. And you could see that the valve is combined with the cap and the valve rod. The cap could be customized. You could see that the number here. And if you want to engrave your company name and brand on the cap, please ask us. We could do it. And also, it could be with the yellow coating on the cap. Many customers ask that the cutting line around the cap is also available. And last but not least, I want to share 3 tips for you when assemble the Bosch control valve. The first is clean all spare parts for the injectors by oil. And the second is install the valve cap with correct position. And the third is make sure the valve rod moves smoothly after assemble in the injector body. If you want to know more information about our Sumat, please keep follow our Sumat TV or my Facebook and YouTube. All welcome for your inquiry and questions for diesel. Thank you. Have a nice day.